Easy, baby. Good girl.
Let's see those dance moves. Nice moves. Let's see that moonwalk. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at those moves.
She's like a moth to a flame.
Whoa.
Okay, easy,
okay, no
baby,
tackling.
easy.
No baby tackling. Easy.
No.
She can have that book.
Yes, she can.
I'm not gonna push. I'm just gonna give her anything she wants.
Oh,
that's
very
nice.
sweet.
Yeah. Well, I'm just a little girl. I give something to Phoebe and then I go.
You alright?
I have to go.
Watch your fingers, honey.
You have to
Don't
go
put
where?
your fingers in there.
Huh?
Don't put your fingers in there.
Whoa, well, everyone. Hi guys, David Sinner. Hi guys, and I got something to and I got something to read, and I want his sense and all.
Let's see the dance moves. Dance moves.
No, I'm just a mommy.
Come on, baby. Let's do the... oh. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist.